Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World. Today I will be making this super delicious recipe of chicken do pyaza or the MURGH do pyaza in the Pakistani style. This is restaurant style do pyaza in rich onion gravy and is very easy to make and is super delicious. So let's quickly get started. In a hot wok, adding oil and then the sliced onions. As this is chicken do pyaza, I have added a lot of onions in it. All the ingredients and the measurements of the ingredients are there in the description box. I will be frying the onions until it turns translucent. Once the onion has turned translucent, adding ginger and garlic paste. Cooking the ginger and the garlic until its rawness goes away. Now I'm adding the bone-in chicken pieces. I have cut these chicken pieces in medium-sized pieces and they are with bones. This is best done when the chicken is with bones. I will be adding salt as per my own taste. So add the salt as per your taste. Adding all the whole spices, the dry red chilies, the cinnamon stick, green and black cardamom, peppercorns, shah jeera and cloves. Now I will be adding all the whole spices and green chilies, turmeric powder, the cumin powder, red chili powder, chili flakes and coriander powder. Cooking the chicken for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am adding the tomato paste and also yogurt. I'm slow cooking the chicken for some time until oil starts to separate from the chicken. I am not adding any water in it, but if you want, you can add water. So this chicken do pyaza recipe has very thick gravy of onions and you can see this is completely in restaurant style, so I am not adding any water in it. Once you see that the oil has started to separate from the chicken, I am going to close the pan with a lid and going to slow cook it for another 5 minutes so that the chicken is completely well cooked. Now I will be garnishing the chicken with fried onions. This is completely optional. Giving everything a final mix and the MURGH do pyaza is ready to be served. Enjoy this recipe with the favorite bread of your choice or rice. Do give this recipe a try and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of motivation to keep on cooking such recipes for all of you. See you soon. Bye-bye.